To open MS Excel, we have to click on Start button, All Programs, Microsoft Office, then Excel. Now we have to enter some data. To sort the data, we have to click on Data, then here is the Sort option. When we click on Sort option, a dialog box will appear in which there is the option of Sort by. We can sort by column or by the values or by the order, or we can simply use the shortcut sort smallest to largest. Our data is written smallest to largest only, so no need to use this. Here sort largest to smallest. If we will click on this shortcut, our data will be sorted. Before this a dialog box will appear. Expand the selection. It is asking for expanding the selection or continue with the current selection. Here we have selected 10 and 15. We will click on continue with our current selection, and we will sort. The data is sorted to largest to smallest. This is how we will use the sort option. Here we have one more option, filter. When we will click on filter, it will ask us to filter our data, and we can filter our data by choosing the checkbox. Here it is asking for the sorting also, or we can use the filter by clicking on the checkbox. If we will click on checkbox 14, it is unchecked, and by clicking on OK, we will see that that particular row disappear. Similarly, if we want that row, we have to click on filter option, and again we have to check that box and click on OK. That particular row appears. So this is how we will use filter. Data validation. There is one more thing here, data validation. By clicking on data validation, you will see that in setting it is allowing any value. If we want a range, so we have to click on the whole number and the data between. It is saying data between. We have to give the range, minimum value and the maximum value. So for that we have to select some columns. Suppose we are selecting these two columns and we are giving the data validation, whole number, and we are giving the range, like we are giving between 10, minimum value of 10 and maximum value of 50. Okay, now if we will write a value less than 10, it will give us the error, the value enter is not valid. This is how we can put the validation. Now if we want to remove that validation from the particular cell, we have to click on data validation again, and then we have to remove the minimum value and maximum value, and we have to click on any value. Then we can input any value here. Now we can enter any value which we want. This is how we do the data validation. One more option is here of subtotals. If you want to use the subtotals, we have to select the columns, and then it will give us the subtotal. And if you want a pivot table, you have to go on insert pivot table, and it will ask you the table range. Here you have to give the table range, then you have to click on OK. A pivot table will appear here, and in this pivot table you can choose the field from this side, and you can easily drag to the report filter, and it will, and similarly you can add it in column level by dragging the values. Just by simply dragging the values you can make the pivot table. Here you can edit the pivot table, and you can see your pivot table here. You can check your pivot table here by selecting the value from dragging from here to here. You can edit your pivot table on right hand side, and you will see your values here. Thank you.